Hi everyone, today my team and I are going to present about machine learning, teaching machines to think. I'm ATHIRAH SYAZWANI binti Muhammad HASSANAL together with Divian anak laki SIVABALAN and Ahmad UWAIS Al-QORNI bin Ahmad FAIZAL. We'll be walking you through what machine learning is, how it works, why it matters, and some key concepts to understand. So let's begin with the basics. Machine learning, or ML, is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed for every single task. How machine learning works? Machine learning works like a simple cycle. We give it a data, it uses an algorithm to learn from that data, creates a model, and then makes predictions or decisions. If the prediction is wrong, we improve it by training with better or more data. This process repeats until the model becomes very accurate. It is similar to how humans learn from practice and get better over time. So, why is machine learning so important in our lives? The truth is, it's everywhere. Google search, YouTube recommendation, and even Siri's voice responses are powered by machine learning. It makes our lives easier and more efficient. The key terms to understand in machine learning is number 1, data, number 2, model, number 3, algorithm, and number 4, training and testing.
Okay, let me take over from here. So there are three types of machine learning, which is unsupervised learning, supervised learning, and reinforcement learning. So first, supervised learning. It is the most common type of machine learning in this world, and it uses data that is already has the correct answers called labels. So it just scan through and skim through all the labels and then group them according to it. Like example, email spam filter, which is trained. Next is unsupervised learning, where it doesn't use any labeled or group data. Instead, it groups data based on the similarities. Like having the same surnames, it will group them in one and just separates the next. This is useful for discovering hidden patterns that we may not notice. Next, we are going through reinforcement learning, where it works by rewarding the machine when it makes the right decision. For example, the machine tries to make many different actions and learns which one give the best results. And this is most commonly used in robotic and games AI, such as in Valorant. So there are popular algorithms throughout these machine learning things, which is decision trees, which split data into branches to make predictions, neural network, which is inspired by human brain, and k-means clusterings, groups data points and to clusters based on similarities.
So, what is the real-life applications of machine learning? In healthcare, it predicts disease and helps doctor find the best treatment. In finance, it detects fraud by spotting unusual transaction. In transportation, it powers self-driving cars, and in retail, it recommends products you might like. So, there are some advantages of machine learning. Machine learning can process massive amount of data much faster than human, and it keeps improvising as it is trained with more data, making its prediction more accurate. What are some challenges for machine learning? Machine learning models are hard to explain, which makes it difficult to trust their decisions. So we will see even a lot of smarter AI assistant that can have natural conversations with human for future of machine learning. So this is the summary for machine learning. AI can create paintings, write music, and even tell stories. In fact, an AI generated artwork once sold for 432,500 at an auction. It has many benefits, but also some challenges that researchers are still solving. And I think that's all from our group. We are Group 4. Thank you.
Thank you.